guys, welcome back to my channel.
We live and we lie and we fall and we fly.
So when I was making that prepare with me for my trip to Spain video, I decided that I wanted to make like a more in-depth and separate video for the packing part. So that's what this video is. So I will be filming this over like different days because I'm not going to be packing all at once. Usually for other trips I do pack all at once, mostly last minute, but for this trip I don't because I basically don't have time the day before. So this first part is a little different than usual because the first step of my packing now is choosing the clothing that I want to bring and dividing the clothing that I want to bring, and that is only because I'm going on 3 different trips in like a short notice of time. So usually I don't do this. Usually I just choose the clothes that I want to bring, but now I thought it'd be smart to kind of divide my clothing because I don't want to bring everything to all the trips, you know. So the suitcases that we have is this one. I don't know the specific sizes, but this is a hand luggage suitcase, and then we have this one. They're both just black, and this one is like a check-in bag. I don't know what size that would be, but it's just a normal sized suitcase, I guess. But we are driving, so it doesn't matter which size it is. So this is the one I'm bringing to Spain, and this is the one I'm bringing for my Interrail. And I don't know which suitcase I'm gonna bring for Canada. On the one side, I'm like, let's just bring this one. But like, I'm going for a week, and honestly, I went to London for a week, and I could barely fit all my stuff in that suitcase. And I'm going to the other side of the world, so I kind of want to bring everything I need, but like this is way too big for 1 week, so I'm kind of unsure on what to do. Anyway, we're gonna open them both. So I opened both of the suitcases, and basically what I'm going to do is just throw the clothing that I know that I want to bring on that trip in the suitcase. I always find it a struggle to choose what clothing you want to bring. So this pile is all the clothing I got over the past like week. It's insane. I think I want to bring all of this, so I'm just gonna divide everything in where to bring, and later on when I'm actually packing, which I'll probably do tomorrow or something, I will see if I will actually bring it. Then I have these pants that I got, and for now I'm gonna put them on my Canada pile. I really want to bring these to Canada because I think they're super cute, and yeah, I really like them. So I'm gonna put the Canada clothing on that chair there. It's not a chair, what's that called? But that's where the Canada clothing is going to, because we don't have a suitcase for that. This dress is going to Spain. I literally can't choose because I want to bring everything to all the trips. I don't know if I'm bringing this dress. Maybe. I'm gonna put this to the side. I don't know. This dress is also going to Spain. Obviously most things are going to Spain probably because that's the first trip we're going on. So this is, I don't know where this is going. I'm gonna put this with Interrail for now. And then I have these 2 shorts which are going to Spain. They're also coming with me on an Interrail trip, but yeah. This white top is going to Spain. Literally anything is going to Spain. This skirt is going with Interrail. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put this dress. Maybe with Interrail, maybe with Spain. It's gonna go with Interrail for now. And then this skirt is this skirt is so cute, so that's gonna go with Spain. Now we're gonna go to my closet and literally just throw everything that I think I want to bring into one of the suitcases. So right now this is what's in the Spain suitcase. This is probably way too much, but okay. And then this is in the Interrail one. Alright guys, so today is Monday and I leave on Thursday, but the reason why I'm actually packing in advance this time, because I don't really have that much time tomorrow and on Wednesday. I'm going to try to do most of it now, and then I can do the last minute stuff on Wednesday. So I think what I want to do today is have the stuff that I don't need anymore in the suitcase and most of the clothing that I want to bring. First I'm going to go through all these clothes that I threw in here and see what I actually want to bring and what I don't want to bring anymore. I'm going to wear these shorts when we drive there, so I'm definitely bringing those, but they don't need to be in the suitcase. So okay, one dress. I'm just going to do it like this and then see how many dresses I have, how many shorts, and how many everything I have. Wait. First I'm going to separate everything into tops, shorts, skirts, and dresses. I don't know where all of these tops come from, and I don't have to bring all of those. I think I'm gonna, oh wait, it's I think I'm gonna wear this shirt on the drive there, so that's gonna go with these shorts. Okay, now I have 3 skirts. How do I only have 3 skirts? I don't know, but I have 3 skirts, and then here are my shorts. I'm going to lay out my skirts and my shorts and see what tops can fit with them, if that makes any sense. This top literally fits with anything, so I'm definitely bringing that. This fits with stuff, but I'm not sure if I want to bring this. This is gonna go with maybe. These 2 tops fit with anything, so I'm gonna bring those. This fits with the black ones. I don't have to bring both of these, but which one do I want to bring? I'll just have both of these. This fits with these. Another white top that goes with literally anything. This is kind of cute, but I never really wear this, so I don't know if I should bring it or not. And then I have these 2 tops that I recently got, which also go with anything. I am such a bad packer. I don't know how to do stuff. Summer clothing does fit in the suitcase, so it's not that I don't have enough space, so why should I even bother trying to do this when I know that I can't pack? So I'm just gonna, you know, bring all of it. I am a horrible packer. This ain't fun. It makes no sense why this is so hard. Okay, I'm gonna bring 3 dresses. First one is this one, which I recently got. And then this one, which I also recently got. And this yellow one from Brittany Melville. Boom! We have the dresses. I'm just gonna go for it. Then we have 4 pairs of shorts, 2 skirts. Then we have a lot of different tops. So if we look at my pack list, I have a lot of like electronics and toiletries, but I kind of still need all of those, so I won't be packing that right now. I don't know why, but I suddenly have 3 pairs of sunglasses, so I'm bringing all 3, but I don't know since when I have 3, but packing is going great. Alright guys, this is not a good angle. I don't have any good angles at this point. Alright, so I decided not to really film me packing anymore, because every time I would start filming, it would just slow down everything so much. I just couldn't decide on things and it was just taking so long. So I decided not to film the actual packing stuff, because I'm just in a hurry, because I just needed to get it done right now. So that's what I did. So yeah, I'll just show you what I packed. For the clothing part, I got rid of a few things and I got some other things in it, because I just can never decide on clothing. So what my suitcase looks like right now, this is the clothing part. Basically, I have towels, and then I have a lot of clothes, and then I have underwear, then I have my belt, socks, extra headphones, my tripod, then I have 1 pair of like normal jeans and 1 sweater in there in case it gets cold, and that's basically it for this part. And then on this side, my bag for laundry, bag for the beach, 2 purses, 1 backpack, sport clothing, shoes, and my straightener. And for the rest of this side, it's gonna be my parents' stuff, because I don't need the rest of this space, honestly. I think I have almost everything. I wrote down a couple of things that I still need. That is makeup, but I still need that. That is my toothbrush, which I still need. And my camera, laptop, and my contacts. But I still need those, so I can't really pack them right now. And also like my camera batteries and my SD cards. But I still need to empty my SD cards, so I can't pack those things. And then over here we have the rest of my stuff. So that's my bag for the night in France, and that basically has my bikini, and it also has my other bikini because they're in 1 bag. And yeah, towel for showering, pajama, and that's it, I think. And then I have my yellow denim jacket because I'm bringing that one as my jacket. Then I have that thing for on the beach. I don't really know where that's supposed to go. I don't know if it's supposed to go in my suitcase, but I'll just give it to my mom. Then I have 2 towels for the beach, sport shoes. This is a little thing for basically my electronics. So that is my power bank, camera charger, and then I still have my MacBook charger and my phone charger, but those are probably going in this bag because I use them all the time. So then I have my makeup, which I obviously still need, but then that's gonna go in that bag probably. And then this is my outfit for tomorrow. This is 1 pair of leggings because we leave at like 7 AM, so it's not really hot then in the Netherlands. But I am bringing these shorts for when it's getting hot or for the next day. And then I'm bringing this t-shirt. So that is that. So this is like the cream that I use every day. This is cream for your hands, really nice. My brush, deodorant, makeup remover. I have shampoo and conditioner. This is also like an oil thing for your hair. Can I close this with 1 hand? I don't think so. I'm just gonna close this for a second. Great. And then on this side, I'm not gonna show you everything. I have like daily contacts just in case my what's that called? It's like the liquid for your contacts. I have cotton pads for my makeup remover, nail polish, jewelry, perfume, another phone case. Yeah, I think that's it. So this is basically all of my toiletries. So that's fun. And then the last thing is this bag that I'm bringing in the car. So in the front pocket, I'm not gonna open it, but it has my wallet and my headphones. And then in the big compartment, I have my book, my Polaroid. Oh, I need Polaroid film. So great that I was filming. We're just gonna bring 20 just in case. That's gonna go in my suitcase. So my Polaroid, my glasses, and sunglasses, and then on the side it has my Victoria's Secret body mist. I think that's gonna be all I pack. So we're gonna close the suitcase now and bring it downstairs so my dad can fill it with their stuff. Now I packed my camera charger, but I still need it. Why am I an idiot? Where even is my other battery? Oh, there. I'm not gonna lie with you, I have never closed my suitcase this easy. What the heck? Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.